Seldom is there a word that's tossed around more freely in the pool community than the word shock. Your pool is green? Shock it. What do you add to your pool? Shock. How do you prevent algae? You do weekly shock treatments. All this can be greatly confusing to pool newbies, and at TFP, we'd like to try to clarify the meaning in under 180 seconds. Let's say you walk into the pool store and you see row after row of products called Shock. What is that? When we're talking about the product Shock, it's nothing more than marketing talk for products that oxidizes organics and sanitizes your pool. Solid Shock comes packaged with the active ingredient trichlor, dichlor, or cal-hypo. All of these products also contain ingredients that can cause problems if they're allowed to build up too high. So here at TFP, we avoid using them on a day-to-day basis. You see many jugs of liquid Shock. This actually is the good stuff. It's just sodium hypochlorite, the same stuff as household bleach. We call this liquid chlorine, as it tends to be stronger than household bleach, and depending on the price, can be a better deal, making it ideal for day-to-day use in your pool. So you walk up to the cashier with your jugs of liquid Shock, and the cashier asks, why? You tell them your pool is green and you're gonna clean it. They reply this isn't gonna work and you should just shock it. What's that mean? To put it simply, it's the pool store's idea to add a lot of chlorine all at once in hopes that it clears your pool. But it seldom does work. Keep in mind chlorine is consumed by two things, sun and organics. Once you initially shock your pool, there's a chance the algae in the water will consume the chlorine quickly, thus leaving you with zero chlorine and yet still a lot of living algae. Now you're left with a still dirty pool and a lighter wallet. So how does TFP view shock? At TFP, we view shock as part of a SLAM, or shock level and maintain. This is a process, not a one-time addition of chlorine. The shock level is a level the pool owner needs to reach in which the chlorine is quickly killing and breaking down any algae in the water. As part of a SLAM, the pool owner should repeat the addition of chlorine to their water, and then maintain that high level until the pool is free of algae. Keep the chlorine at shock level, and you'll quickly have a clear pool. Pool water testing will guide the process. One last item. Is it vital a user shock their pool on a regular basis? No, that's just wasteful. What's the point of adding high doses of chlorine to kill algae if you don't have algae in the water in the first place?